My name's Mason Galway, and this is my YT16 Ford tractor. My parents surprised me with this at the National Pike Steam Show. I am happy to display this tractor next to my Paps. Since we bought this, we put a new drive belt, carburetor, and battery on it. Thanks for checking out my tractor with me.
Well, I got me a brand new tractor today, and I drove